can just recommend people to do it for the right reasons. I would love to spend time with as many people as possible, and I'm going to be in Delhi on that particular day, on the 28th for Earth Hour. So whoever wins this opportunity and this chance is donating to the right cause. I wouldn't like to use the word charity because I believe this organization does a lot more than just that. So you're in your own small way, like I said, contributing to take the country and the world to the right direction in that sense. So it's a contribution that will go long. And eBay is going to make sure whichever part of the country you're from. Oh yeah, that's the most important part of that. What you guys just saw about the renewable energy source that they're doing in the Sundarbans, that's where the money is going to go. So it's going to a very important aspect of WW. And wherever, no matter which part of the country you're in, whether it's Bombay, Aurangabad, Ahmedabad, place in eBay will make sure you get a chance to spend that 1 hour with you. And I need all the company I can get on that particular day. Each person counts. Each person out of the house over there means less energy being used for that hour anyway. So it's part of a very big design in this world.